Hutchison, now Maria Hargreaves, he's going to take them on himself and he's going to score the Roosters' first try. The big dog. Moses into the clear, Papali'i's there. Isaiah Papali'i scoots away.
Yeah, the best ball players make the best ball runners.
Now Walker. Oh, Tedesco's there. This will be a try to Teddy. The ball hopped away from Gutherson. I don't know if it was tunnel ball or whether it's clean bowl. Wonderful effort there from Tedesco.
Yeah, Isuzu D-Max replay. There's that beautiful ugly kick from Sam Walker. Just an awkward bounce for Clint Gutherson. And you're right, Gus. James Tedesco just puts himself in the picture just in case.
And Walker has nailed the conversion. 14-6 now. From a standing start, crashed into the defence. Now Walker, chipping over the top. There's no one at home. Walker! Sam Walker has lit up Magic Round again.
That's park football.
First up field goal. Walker, nice kick.
That's good.
He's got it. First half field goal. Could be more coming for the Roosters here. Keary finds Watson. Tedesco's there, keeps it alive. Keary went around the back. Now Manu. Manu looks up, gets it past it to Vanilla, and he says play on, our referee.
Wow.
He's going all war the try.
They score.
We talk about these key players for the Roosters being in sync. James Tedesco could only hear a voice, and it was Luke Keary's voice that was swinging around the back. Gets it to his strike centre, Joey Manu. Ball hits the ground, and Joseph Suwali, he scoops it up.
DeFusi playing it outside the 20. Marnie, Madison, Moses, all the ends. Papali'i runs through them past Tedesco and has cancelled out the Roosters try.
Yeah, you just got Sam Walker here, who's out there on the line. He's the third man in from the wing. He'll actually go to move up in defence and then backs away, and that's what creates the crack that Papali'i runs into. You see?
Moses down a very skinny short side and dinks a kick ahead, and a second kick, Moses! Oh, we've had two blinders, two magnificent individual tries, Walker in the first half and Moses here.
Well, he's at his best here. Isuzu D-Max replay. It's only the very shortest short sides too. Didn't have much space to work in. And the crafty number 7, double kick and shows some speed. Gets to the ball first. Here come Parramatta.
The line is almost within reach here for the Eels. Paulo and Marnie and Campbell-Gillard and Madison. Ryan Madison scored one last week and might do the same here, yes! Ryan Madison!
Yeah, so do I.
Well, he's threatened to do this 3 or 4 times this afternoon.
Inside the 20 now, and here's a kick for Suwali. Suwali up, what about the catch from this young freak of an athlete?
Yeah, nice kick, head down on the spot, and just watch him sail up early here. Owns the space.
How about that?
Boom.
A 7-point victory to James Tedesco's Sydney Roosters, 31-24 over Parramatta. Good game of footy.